this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your credit card from your Android phone. So first of all, you have to figure out which application you have your credit card information saved to. So you could be using Google Wallet or something like that, or even the Samsung Wallet. So just type in Wallet under your apps. So I have the Google Wallet app and then the Samsung Wallet app. I've used Google Wallet in the past. And all you have to do is go to this application, go to your payment methods right here, and click on your credit card. There should be an option to remove it now once you tap it on the screen. So you should be able to see it under this screen, and there will be an option to delete it as well. Otherwise, if we go to the other app here, this is going to be our Samsung Wallet, and it'll be very easy too. So figure out where you're saving this stuff to that you're paying with. And my phone doesn't support this one because it doesn't have an NFC or anything like that. So I can't pay with it at all when I go to stores. But just figure out the application you're using, click on your credit card, and you should be able to delete it.